The beauty of living here. I love living here. I moved here 27 years ago, and it's the nature of the place. You walk out the door, and I am submerged in nature, regardless of whether I want to be or not. The benefits, I think, of Cowal Open Studios is that we have so many artists around here that you can go and spend some time with. As much as I work on my own 99% of the time, but if I want to go and maybe if I want to go and try in ceramics, I could go and see Moira, or if I wanted to go and try some stained glass or something, you could go and see Sarah. Everybody is so accommodating. Everybody is so nice. I'm at the end of the list, so start at the bottom and work your way to the top.